Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best cooking kits is probably one of the most exciting ways to get your kids involved in the kitchen. In this video, we're diving into the wonderful world of cooking kits designed specifically for kids aged 4 to 8. We'll explore a range of options, from simple snack creations to more elaborate meal preparations, all while keeping safety and fun at the forefront. Get ready to discover the perfect cooking kit to spark your child's culinary curiosity. Number 5. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This book is packed with over 100 delicious recipes. It's perfect for young chefs who love to bake, share, and eat. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes, from sweet treats to savory dishes. This book has something for everyone, whether you're a beginner or have some experience. This book encourages you to bake, share your creations with friends and family, and of course, enjoy the delicious results. It's all about having fun in the kitchen. The recipes are designed with young bakers in mind, featuring clear and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Grab your apron and get ready to create some amazing treats. This book is your guide to a world of baking adventures. Get ready to have some fun. What we like. This book is a fantastic starting point for young chefs. It offers a wide variety of recipes, perfect for sparking culinary interest. If you're looking for a gift that encourages a love of cooking and sharing, this is a great choice. It's designed to build confidence in the kitchen, making it a wonderful way for kids to explore their creativity. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary tools and ingredients. The recipes are designed specifically for children aged 4 to 8. The instructions are easy to follow. Number 4. Baketivity Cake Pop Baking Kit for Kids. This kit comes with pre-measured dry ingredients, all securely packed. It uses kosher ingredients made in the USA. You don't need any special machines to make these yummy treats. Inside, you'll find step-by-step instructions with kid-friendly illustrations. It also includes a shopping list for the wet ingredients. This makes it super easy for bakers of all ages. This kit teaches beginner bakers basic kitchen skills and techniques. Young chefs can build confidence while creating their own masterpiece with these cake pop sticks. It's the perfect gift for making memories baking together. This kit is a great activity for bonding time with kids or grandkids. Scan the QR code to access a video guide by Baketivity's head baker. With the help of a professional, your child will feel like a baking pro. What we like. This kit simplifies baking with pre-measured ingredients and clear instructions. It's designed to teach basic kitchen skills in a fun way. If you have a child who loves cake pops or is just starting out in the kitchen, this kit is perfect. It's a great way to build confidence and create delicious treats together. What people say. The packaging is so fun, it comes with everything you need, and the dessert actually tastes great. Great buy to introduce cake pops with my little baker. Excellent kit for kids. Has a learning insert as well if you'd like to turn the bake into a schooling lesson. Ours was about creating atoms. All dry ingredients included, does require eggs, oil, and water additionally. It was an easy afternoon project and my 7-year-old took great pride in her creation. Number 3. Kids Cooking Set with Knives and Cutting Board. This set includes a variety of tools, like wooden knives, cooking knives, and cutting boards. It's designed to meet all your child's cooking needs. They will have everything they need to start their culinary journey. The knives are made from wood and food-grade polypropylene, ensuring they are non-toxic and safe. The materials are BPA-free and designed for durability. You can rest assured knowing it's safe for your kids to use. The wooden knives feature cute patterns to attract children. The one-piece handle design makes them safe and easy to use. The serrated edges are designed to be safe while still allowing them to cut food. These knives are perfect for toddlers to cook with their parents, encouraging creativity. They can create their own dishes and enjoy cooking time with the family. It's a great way to foster their independence. This kitchen set provides children with the chance to imitate adults. Through practice, they can improve their skills and strengthen the parent-child bond. It's a great way to teach them about healthy habits. What we like. This set provides safe and engaging tools for young chefs. It's designed with Montessori principles in mind, encouraging hands-on learning. If you're looking for a way to introduce your child to real cooking, this set is ideal. It fosters creativity and allows children to participate in meal preparation. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary ingredients and kid-friendly recipes. The recipes are designed to be easy to follow for children ages 4 to 8. The kit promotes hands-on learning and encourages children to explore different foods. Number 2. Salufo 14PC Kids Kitchen Knife Set. Introducing the Salufo Kids Kitchen Set. It includes safe plastic knives, a wooden knife, cutting boards, and more. This set is designed to make cooking fun and safe for your little ones. This set is perfect for toddlers and kids aged 3 to 12. It's a great gift for birthdays or Christmas. The variety of tools allows them to explore different cooking activities. The knives and tools are made of safe, food-grade materials. They are designed to be durable and easy for kids to handle. It's a healthy and safe way for kids to enjoy cooking. The set features a cute crocodile pattern and is designed with kids in mind. The toddler knife has a one-piece handle for easy use. It helps them learn and have fun at the same time. From preparing ingredients to cleaning up, this set has it all. It's perfect for home kitchens, travel, or even preschool classrooms. It's a memorable cooking experience for kids and parents. What we like. This kit offers a complete set of safe knives and tools for kids. The designs are fun and engaging, making cooking more enjoyable. If you like the idea of your child helping in the kitchen, this set is a great choice. It provides everything needed for a safe and fun cooking experience. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary ingredients and kid-friendly tools. The recipes are designed to be easy to follow for young children. The cooking kits often feature fun themes or characters that appeal to kids. Number 1. Kidstir Unicorn Cake Pop Kit for Kids. This Kidstir kit is the perfect way to have fun in the kitchen. It's designed for kids and makes creating delicious unicorn cake pops easy and enjoyable. It's a great way to create memorable moments. This all-in-one kit includes pre-measured ingredients and fun decorations. It has everything you need to make adorable unicorn cake pops. You'll have a blast creating your own bite-sized unicorn desserts. Inside, you'll find cake pop sticks, candy decorations, and even a display stand. This kit makes 12 to 15 cake pops and includes expert baking tips. A chocolate melting pen is also included for the ultimate unicorn decorations. The kitchen is a great place to spend quality time together. You can learn new skills and make memories with hands-on baking fun. All you need is a few extra ingredients to get started. This kit is a great gift for any child who loves cake pops. Surprise the child in your life with a scrumptious, hands-on present. It's a gift that will delight for hours and create lasting memories. This kit guides you step by step through your cake pop adventure. You'll pick up dozens of cooking tips along the way. It makes baking for kids fun and delicious. What we like. This kit brings the magic of unicorns to the kitchen. It includes everything needed for a fun baking experience. If you are looking for a special gift or a fun activity for a party, this kit is perfect. It's designed to create lasting memories and delicious treats. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary tools and ingredients. The recipes are designed specifically for children aged 4 to 8. The instructions are easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.